What's going on, traders? It's Tyler here. Today we're going to talk real quickly about SLS. This stock had a little run up today. As you can see, we ran up from 12 cents up to about 14-15 cents before the end of the day, and then we ran up a little bit in after hours. You can see up to about 16 cents. So this had a nice move today. We're going to talk about it really quick. There was no positive news on this that I seen. They did do a reverse split the other day, which made this stock drop heavily. But I know a lot of people are trading this, and I know a lot of people are stuck in this stock. I know a lot of people are looking to trade it tomorrow. Whatever the case may be, we're going to talk about it today. So let's go ahead and start off by drawing our support and resistance. We got our resistance for now, since we've seen that it did hit up here in after hours. We'll go ahead and put it here for now at 15.7, but we'll just say 16 cents here. Let's go ahead and put our support. This will now be our support at about 14.6. And then let's go ahead and put our median here. We're basically charting up on the after hours, so it'll really depend on what happens in the morning when market hours. This stock is a big float at 127.22 million, and it might even be bigger than this. This is the most recent data that I have, but with the reverse stock split, it might be even more than this, but I'm pretty sure this is right, but I could be wrong. You'll have to double check on that one. We're going to talk about this chart on the 15-minute chart. Now, if you're looking to go bullish on this tomorrow, like I am, what you're going to want to see is a break above this 16 cent area, the 16 cent level, because most likely we're going to range inside here for the rest of the after hours, and we'll probably just sit around in this area. So what we want to look for as our main level tomorrow is 15.8, which is about 16 cents. Look for that break and retest, or first of all, let's look for the break, right? We want to see it break above, and then we want to see it stop for a second. We don't want to see it go like this, then we'll just miss it. We want to see it break above 15.8. Have an alert set here so you know when that happens. Next thing you want to see is you want to see it come back down and retest off that 15.8 zone and stabilize. The reason we want to see it stabilize is because we don't want to see it do this, right? And then that way we don't get into this kind of trade and we don't really know what we're doing. We want to have everything clean, everything on a clean slate. So we want to see that we want to see it pull back, stabilize. We want to see like a shooting star or bullish hammer or some sort of reversal candle bullish. We want to see that momentum kick back in. Watch your level 2. And then what I do is I have my order ready right above that pullback point. So that way when that momentum does kick in strong, I'll ride that momentum up to this next resistance, which will be up here at about 17 cents. So this is the bullish play that I would look for tomorrow morning, is that break of 15.8 pullback. That's when we watch it. We want to see it stabilize here off that level, and then we have our order ready. For me, this is what I'm going to be doing. I have my order ready here. That way when the momentum returns, I'm riding that momentum right back up. So that's what I'll be looking for tomorrow for a bullish play. Now what you want to watch out for, or if you're trying to short this stock, whatever the case may be, what you're going to want to see is a break below this level here at 14.6. You're going to want to see a break below 14.6 and this moving average here. Next thing you want to see is just like up here, how it pulled back. We want to see it pull back here. And we want to see it get rejected. We want to see this time, we want to see red. We want to see that bearish momentum return. We want to see those bearish reversal candles. Once we see that happen, once we see that rejection off that line, again, this is if you're shorting it, or if you're watching, or if you're holding stock, you want to watch this play out. This would give you a better idea of when it would be a good idea to sell. But if you are shorting, what you want to see again is a break below this 14.67, retest off that level. Then we have our order right below that pullback point, wherever that may be at the time. And then we ride that momentum down to this next support down here, which would probably be at this 1360 because you can see that VWAP coming in. That's where most of the buyers are settled at. So I'm sure that we'll have some big buys here, which will most likely push it back up. So I definitely want to sell most of my position here, at least 3/4 of my position. Just like up here, I would sell 3/4 of my position. That's what I do. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. I make videos every day, or try to at least. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.